Have you ever wondered why change feels so hard? Why, even with good intentions, we fall back into old patterns? The answer lies in your subconscious mind, a powerful part of your brain that runs 95% of your daily life. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through a powerful step-by-step 21-day method to reprogram your subconscious mind and reshape your life. Let's begin. Your subconscious mind is like a silent operating system. It stores your beliefs, habits, fears, and emotional reactions, many of which were programmed before you turned 7 years old. Think of it like a garden. Whatever seeds, positive or negative, you plant will grow. The good news? You can change the script, but it takes consistent repetition and focused awareness. And that's what we'll unlock in the next 21 days. Here's the exact 21-day plan to change your subconscious mind. Week 1. Awareness and disruption. Start a thought journal. Every time you feel fear, procrastination, or self-doubt, write it down. Identify repeating negative patterns or beliefs, like, "I'm not good enough," or "I always fail." Begin to disrupt them. When one appears, say aloud, "Cancel. That's not who I am anymore." Week 2. Reprogram with intention. Write 3 positive affirmations that counter your most common negative beliefs. Example, replace "I'm not confident" with "I am calm, confident, and capable." Speak these affirmations every morning and every night, with emotion and certainty. Add visualization. Picture yourself already living the new reality. Feel it. Week 3. Anchor your identity. Act as if. Start embodying the new version of you. Create small daily rituals that align with your new mindset, like dressing better, walking taller, or making braver choices. Surround yourself with positive inputs, motivational videos, empowering books, and uplifting people. Your subconscious is most programmable just before sleep and right after waking. So each night, listen to a guided affirmation audio or record your own voice, repeating your affirmations. Let it play quietly as you drift to sleep. This taps directly into your theta brainwave state, the gateway to the subconscious. Remember, repetition is the mother of reprogramming. You won't notice huge change on day 1, but by day 21, you'll begin to think differently, react differently, show up differently. This is how transformation begins, not with force, but with daily alignment. Your future is being built by your habits today. So start now. Start small. Stay consistent. If you're ready to reprogram your mind and create a new reality,